Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert. Welcome back to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to demonstrate a green papaya salad with watercress and green cabbage. Let's get started with the ingredients. What we have here for the ingredients are green cabbage, Napa cabbage, watercress, green papaya, cilantro, and peanuts. Let's get started with assembling the ingredients in the salad. What I like to do, because it's such a large amount of greens and cabbage, do it in layers. So take a little bit of your green papaya, your watercress, your Napa cabbage, green cabbage, a little bit of cilantro, and some of the peanuts. And you're just going to do this in layers. The rest of the green papaya, the watercress, Napa cabbage, the cabbage, along with the cilantro and peanuts. Now mind you, once we add the dressing to this, it's going to wilt. So just kind of gently fold this together, and then we'll add the dressing to this and complete the dish. So we've mixed the salad together and it's all well incorporated. Now we need to make the dressing. So what we have here for the ingredients are, we have lime juice, we have peanut oil, we have tempura sauce, daikon, ginger, garlic, and sriracha. Sriracha is optional. If you don't like the heat, you can just take it out. So let's just mix this together in a bowl. Add your lime juice, your peanut oil, tempura sauce, your daikon, ginger, and garlic, and sriracha. So this is like a Japanese Thai inspired dressing. All you're going to do is mix this well and to incorporate all the ingredients and bring out all the flavors. Then we add it to our salad and toss. So just add it to your salad. And either toss with your hands or tongs, it's up to you. So now it's time for the best part. Let's give this a taste. It has great flavors. You really taste the ginger, the garlic, the daikon, and it has a great crunch factor. So I would recommend pairing this with a nice Sauvignon Blanc. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and thank you for joining me in KTA Kitchens. Till next time, aloha.